Our mission at HyaPak is to try and use this invasive weed for something important. The UNEP Young Champions Award means validation, it means credibility.
We're so excited.
We're here in Tajikistan.
Hello! Welcome to Lake Naivasha in Kenya. My name is Joseph Nguthiru and I'm the founder and CEO of HyaPak. A couple of years back, Kenya banned the use of single-use plastic bags. And this was right because it causes pollution and it's made from fossil fuels that then also cause climate change. But the problem is no proper alternative products were created. So our solution at HyaPak is to use one problem of water hyacinth, solve yet another problem of plastic waste pollution, while creating green jobs for the local communities. According to UNEP, water hyacinth is the world's most invasive aquatic weed. It floats on top of water and it blocks oxygen from reaching underground, and this kills important aquatic life. In addition to that, it also is a problem when it comes to navigation, irrigation, fishing, and important other blue economic activities, and also forms a breeding ground for mosquitoes that then cause malaria to the communities living around. So this is regular plastics made out of fossil fuels, and this is the alternative that has been made out of water hyacinth. After the hyacinth has been harvested and dried by the fishermen, it's then transported over to our facilities right here in Nairobi, where we crush it into extremely fine powder. Then we extract the cellulose out of it and we convert that pulp into material that is then used for packaging applications. Today we are with the KDF, the Kenya Defence Forces, and we're going to plant trees using biodegradable seedling wrappers. For normal trees, you will have to remove the plastic bag so that you can plant the tree. But for ours, you insert this seedling into the soil together with the plant, and as it decomposes, it releases nutrients that accelerate the growth rate of these plants. In this case, these plastics will be discarded to break down into microplastics. Let's go and plant. And what makes our solution unique is that we are filling in the vacuum of making products that feel like plastics, perform like plastics, but they're going to biodegrade and disintegrate after a short time. Another use case of our products is in courier services, where we create this lining that is put inside cartons that transport food. This keeps food fresh without the need of cold storage and refrigerators over long distances. Globally, we want to help create a blueprint for how we can help restore biodiversity, while at the same time helping communities around the world to create sustainability. To other young people around the world, don't be afraid to start small. Don't be afraid to think big. I spoke like a politician. I felt that. Yeah.